And what are the products you see around? What are the products you should choose? What is the indent? What is the contract? How it is taken? Why it is taken? And then how this we will proceed for the business. What are the steps involved in the business? Right from inquiry stage to finish trade, we are going to do into the world-class product. So small office, home office. So you can sit anywhere and you can do this. And you can do into both imports, exports, also local, also third country to third country. That is why it is called as international indenting business. You know what is indenting, what is the scope of the business, what are the benefits of the indenting. There is a very minimal documentation. And then what this course will cover and how this course will go through and how you will able to gain the knowledge within 3 days of this course. So only investment is your time, and we will not give any open credit. You are not investing into business, you are not doing any trading, you are not going to pay any custom duty or anything for export or import or anything. And you can do business into any products, any supplier, any buyers. And now we will go through what this course will cover. So why the import happens? The same reason may be the why export happens. When there is a surplus, they will export. When there is a scarcity, they will import. And getting the ship the material. So this is the Expanse. Please come and join. Be a millionaire or a billionaire. It is your choice. I leave it to you and see you soon. Bye bye.